Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air.
Hey guys, this is your girl kriziabel, and in today's video I'll be doing a post-Halloween Christmas makeup look because yesterday was Halloween and I didn't get to dress up, and Christmas is right around the corner, so I wanted to do a look that is half Halloween, half Christmas-ish. And for this look I got inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram called Indigo Go to Hell, and he made a very cute little ghosty makeup look. So obviously I'm not gonna be doing the eyes, I'm not gonna be doing ghosty eyes because I'm not really talented with that, but I'm going to be doing a little ghosty on my cheek with maybe a Christmas present or something like that. I don't know yet, but yeah, that look is based on this look by Indigo Go to Hell. And without further ado, let's get started into the video. So guys, I'm back and I already did my base off camera and my eyebrows, and it was not something special. I mean, I just used the usual primer, foundation, concealer in that order, and then my eyebrows. I'll be focusing more on the eyes and the little design that I'm gonna be doing on my cheek. So first we're gonna start off with the eyes because it's the easiest part. I'll be priming my eyes using the Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer by NYX Cosmetics. And with that, I'll be priming my eyelids.
Feeling so alone, and you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated, I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free.
And on his look, Indigo Go to Hell. Not Go to Hell. Indigo to Hell. Okay, so in his look, Indigo to Hell does a cut crease, but I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'm just gonna do a white eye look, glittery inner corners with eyeliner on. Like, I'm gonna simplify the look a little bit. And for this look, I'm gonna be using my trusted makeup palette. This is the makeup palette by NYX Cosmetics, which is the Modern Dreamer eyeshadow palette. And in this one, I'm gonna be using the color white, this white color shade right here, and put it all over my lids.
Out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down with your hand inside. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind.
And then, I'm not sure if I should do this, but there is this grayish, there's this grayish shade right here that I've never tried before, and I'm thinking if it would be a good idea to try it on my lid. But I also have a glittery gel, which is not supposed to go on the eyes, but I would like to try it. So this is the Glitterily Obsessed glitter gel by Colourpop. Well, it's a little bit too bright, but it's in the Glitter Your Firework.
Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something.
I don't know if you can see this. Maybe I should put some more. I think I'm gonna keep it like that and maybe put some more because I love glitter.
'Cause in another world you come with me and we be.
But according to the website, you're not supposed to put these on your eyelids, so don't do what I do, just don't put this on your eyelids. But it looks so pretty though, so I want to put this on my eyelids. Okay, but don't do it. Okay.
Out of mind, out of mind, out of sight.
And you can go a little bit above the eyeshadow and just cover your lid in glitter, because why not? Okay. And now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and this is the Super Last eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics.
And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around.
That's good. Oh, I'm happy. The stiffer brush, I'm gonna go into that white shade again from the same color palette by NYX, and I'm gonna put it on my inner, not on my inner corners, on my lower lash line. There we go.
With the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my...
And then for my inner corners, I'm gonna be going in with the Crystal Power Blush and Highlighter palette by Essence Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with the color Shine Bright because it's a whitish color, and also it will look really good with the white eyeshadow that I just put on.
Out of mind, when I dream I'm never lonely. Out of sight, out of...
Oh, it looks good. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Yay! And for the first time in this channel, from the 5 videos that I've made, I'm gonna be putting fake eyelashes for the first time ever. And these are some eyelashes that I got off of Amazon. It's like 10 pairs, and they're like the natural looking eyelashes because I didn't want to go in with the dramatic ones just yet. This is the first time that I'm gonna be putting eyelashes on my own. I mean, I've had other people put eyelashes on me, but I've never put eyelashes by myself, so that's gonna be new. Oh, it comes with this too? Oh, that's nice. I think I'll be curling my eyelashes first. I'm not sure this is the correct way to do it, but
I want to help, but my issues are nauseating.
And for mascara, I'll be using the Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara by Essence Cosmetics.
I just want to love something.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this, but let's go for it, I guess. So I just grab the eyelash. The eyelash glue that I'll be using is the Peel Off Lash Glue No Remover Needed by Essence Cosmetics. Here you go, this is how it looks like on the inside. I probably should have practiced that before putting eyelashes on, but you know what? Oh.
Out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows now, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows.
Wait, did I put it wrong? Oh shoot, I put it wrong! Oh no. Oh, that was for the right eye. I messed up. Oh, I hate this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do this off camera. After some hard work and determination, I finally put on my eyelashes, and I did my other eye off camera as well to save up time. Now we're going on to the fun part, but also the hardest part, which is drawing the ghosty with a Christmas present. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, and I don't have the right tools for it. So because I don't have like a thin brush to draw the ghosty, like the outline, I'm gonna be using my watercolor brushes. I have more watercolor brushes than I actually have makeup brushes, which says a lot about my priorities. So I'm gonna be using these two to draw the ghosty, the present, and everything. Let's start with these. So I'm gonna be drawing the ghosty, and then let's see how it goes.
Out of sight, out of mind. When I dream I'm never lonely. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows now with your hand in mine.
And now that we have the base, we're gonna fix it up hopefully later. I'm gonna be filling in the ghosty with this Special Effects Cream Color Face and Body Paint by NYX Cosmetics.
Out of mind, out of mind.
Yeah, now let's do the cutesy eyes and the cutesy little mouth.
Everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air.
You can see the eyes, right?
I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down.
No, okay. You can see the face, right?
Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house.
Oh, it's cute. Oh god, it's so cute. For the present, because Halloween was yesterday, I'm gonna color the present in the color of the pumpkin. And for this, I'm gonna be using the Special Effects Cream Color Face and Body Paint by NYX Cosmetics. And I'm gonna put this color right here.
Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind.
Then let's put two little lines on it. And maybe add in some sparkles too. Am I getting too ambitious? Probably.
Baby, you could keep me.
I wanna add in some sparkles too.
Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak.
Oh my god. Should I put a star here as well? Yeah, I will.
Something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house.
Now, I'm gonna fill it in with white.
I wish we were living in my dreams. Cause in another world you come with me and we be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. When I'm dreaming.
And maybe here I'll put a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Shine Bright highlighter for a little bit of shine.
Out of sight, out of mind. When I dream I'm never lonely.
And now for lips, I'm gonna be using the Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick by Essence Cosmetics.
Out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind, out of mind.
And then I'm gonna be using the Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss by Essence Cosmetics. And this is like a plumping kind of lip gloss because last time I put it on, I felt a little bit tingly on my lips. Let's see if this happens again.
Take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help. But my issues are not.
Oh, I can feel the tinkle. And for the final touch, I'm gonna be using the You Better Work Fixing Spray by Essence Cosmetics. So yeah, this is the makeup look. I'm really happy about it, even though this part right here was a little bit hard to do because I wasn't really steady with my hand, but it turned out pretty good. I really like how graphic it is because of the black outlines and everything. And it's like two looks. Like if you don't want to do this real ghosty on your face, then you can just do one sparkle and make it a little bit more simple, you know what I mean? But I really like this look and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also comment down below about your thoughts about this video. And also I got a new microphone, so tell me how it sounds. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I try to make videos once a week, so subscribe for videos once a week. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you hopefully guys next time. Bye.
Dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna